All right, so this morning I'm going to try to knock some of this pile out. We got to cut it. You see I did one of them last weekend, and that was the one that was sitting right in here. So we got to get rid of some of this. Chickens coming out here in probably 2 weeks. I just fed and watered them, and I'll show you guys. I'll shoot a little bit this afternoon when I go clean out their brooder and feed and water them this afternoon. I'll film some of that so you guys can see them. They're growing. They've been here a week, and very noticeable difference in them. So I'll show you guys some of that. But this morning I got to knock some of this pile out. Probably not going to get the whole thing done, but I at least want to get some of it done so we can get some of this wood out of here and kind of clean this area up. All right, so hey, you guys can check it out. Alright, so I've been working pretty steady since the camera turned off. So you can see I got a pretty good portion of the pile done. So to the point now where, I've hacked it off. I've just put it over here, so we'll collect it from here. We got a dump trailer. We'll put it in the dump trailer, take it down the hill. A couple of these bigger ones though, I'm going to attack those a little bit smarter and not so harder. And we're going to fire up the big boy. So we're going to fire up the big boy. I'm going to pull all that brush out of there. And that's going to go in that pile over there. And then I'm going to pick one of these up. So there's an oak and then there's this big pine right here. I'm going to pick those up and then I'll just position them over my pile and I'll cut them over here. Alright, so you guys check it out. right, so I have spent more time on this pile of wood than I originally intended. I gotta check the time, and I'm probably just gonna work till lunch now. So the rest of this, I'm just gonna cut it up and I'll just chuck it over there. You know, or you see I left some of it sitting right there. So just trying to get it cut up. We got some missionaries come out on Thursday, so they were just here yesterday. They didn't do much because of the weather. But trying to get this all prepped for them for next Thursday. In case I'm not here, then hey, get that firewood, bring it down to the shed type of deal. So that's what I'm doing. This afternoon, we'll see what we got. We got a whole bunch of other chores we got to do. But getting rid of this pile is actually kind of a big deal. So this is actually, it's a beautiful day out today, and this is actually working out in my favor. So didn't mean to cut this much or make the pile so small. Figured I'd break it up over a few days this weekend. But I'm almost there, so I figured I might as well finish it today. And then we'll see what else got. What other kind of trouble or chores I can get into, all right? Cut that part out. Stumbling all over my tongue. Anyway, take two. So, didn't mean to cut so much wood up today. I figured I'd break it up over the weekend. But it is what it is, and I just kept on going. So I'll go to lunchtime, or whenever we break for lunch. I gotta go check the time. And I'm just gonna keep working out here, cutting wood. And then this afternoon, I'll bring you along for some other chores I gotta do, all right? Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna check on the little dinosaurs. Oh yeah. Guys. Yeah, they're definitely full-fledged little dinosaurs now. They don't want nothing to do with me, do they? Alright, and then of course, my silly chickens laying their eggs in the corner. Missing a couple. So we'll wait on that. Water looks disgusting. Alright, I gotta put you guys down. Alright, so I started talking and they're freaking out now. Everybody was good. Some of them are still good. So 1 week in. They're a little bit jumpy right now because I just changed their bedding. Oh, hold on. Try to get up here. Oh. So all the old bedding. So I just changed it out. So of course that freaked them out. You know, but they're getting big. I mean, we're only 1 week. So let's see if we can focus in on one here. So the feathers are starting to come in. You know, but they're doing real good. They're eating and drinking. That's all they do. Eat, drink, and poop. So, but they're doing real good. They got probably 2 more weeks in here. So they're about to hit their dinosaur stage. And then they're moving out. So we're gonna get them out on pasture as quickly as we can. So, and that's all dependent on the weather. So as soon as it's not getting below like 45 at night, they're hitting the pasture, which should be up here in the next couple weeks. So hopefully by the 1st of April, all these little guys are out on pasture. There's a bunch of little piggies. Obviously when I cleaned out, I just fed and watered them too, and acting like they haven't eaten in forever. So anyway, that's the little chicken nuggets. They're doing good. Even those ones over in the corner over there. Let's see if I can get it to focus. No. So anyway, I got chores to do.